One cardiac arrest and the 35 years old software engineer Mohit lives went upside down. His responsibility, his investment, his goal, everything. But he had already made one smart financial move that changed everything for his family. 1 crore term plan for just around 900 per month. When the unexpected happened, his wife Neha did not have to worry about money. She cleared their home loan, secured their kids' education and did not depend on anyone. That the power on term insurance, it is not about you, it's about protecting those who depend on you. So what is the term insurance really? Term insurance is a pure life insurance policy. Unlike investment plans, it does not aim to grow your money. Its sole purpose is protect your family financially if something happens to you. Think of it like a financial safety net. You pay a small regular premium. In case of an expected event like death, your family receive a pre-decided sum assured. It ensures they can contribute their lifestyle, pay debt, education or other goals without financial stress. In simple words, term insurance is equal to financial protection for loved ones. Many people think life insurance is just an investment. That's wrong. Here's why term insurance is crucial. Life is unpredictable. Sudden events can happen anything. Debts and responsibility do not pause. Loans, kids, education, daily expense continue. Low cost, high coverage. You can secure crores for a small monthly premium. Peace of mind, knowing your family, it's safe. Let's focus on your life and career. Now that we are understand the purpose of term insurance, let's look at the different time. Level term insurance, premium and coverage stay fixed throughout the policy term. Increasing term insurance, coverage grow periodically, usually to fight inflation or rising expense. Decreasing term insurance, sum assured decrease over time, usually aligned with decline liabilities like home loans. Term insurance with return of premium, TROP. If you survive the term, you get all premium back, but it costs more. Convertible term insurance allow conversion in whole life of endowment policies later. Renewable term insurance extend the policies after the original terms end. Group term insurance covers multiple members under a single policies, commonly for employees. Confused about which term plan is right for you? Unikey by JJTax make it simple. Download Unikey by JJTax now or book a free 15 minutes call to get expert guidance and choose the best protection for your family.